Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today. I'm excited about this video because I can't wait to show you what I'm going to be making, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be making a pair of earrings, but I am not going to tell you what it is going to be. Is going to be an earring. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, now in order for you to do or make what I'm making, you're going to need an assortment of acrylic beads. Now you don't have to use acrylic beads. You can use whatever stash you have. But Joann Fabrics was running a sale, y'all, some time ago. And I got these acrylic rising. See how gorgeous these is? This is going to be the top of my bead, at the top of my earring. And you're going to need yourself something like this to achieve the look that I'm going to show you. Now, the next thing you're going to need is, like I said, you're going to need some acrylic beads. So I have in this kit, I'm going to take about 4 of these teardrop earrings. Okay, so you're going to need some teardrop earrings. You're going to need some acrylic 20 gauge wire. And this is what I'm going to be using. You're going to need a fish hook, but if you're making a pair of earrings, you're going to need 2 pieces of wire. You're going to need 2 fish hooks. You're going to need your choice of seed beads. These are some seed beads right here that I have. So you're going to need some seed beads. You're going to need some flat nose pliers, some round nose pliers, and some wire cutters. And you're also going to need a ruler. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing that you want to do is you want to measure yourself out 12 inches of 20 gauge wire. Okay, measure yourself out 12 inches of 20 gauge wire. We are going to take our round nose pliers and I'm going to make a loop. I'm going to come down about 1/2 inch, make a loop just like this. I'm going to give it some indentation just like this. That's what you're going to have. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers, put it over top, pinch this piece up, and wrap it around. And you can wrap it as many times as you like. Most of the times I do mine twice. I pull on my wire to make it straight. And then I'm going to cut off that little extra that's right there. I'm going to cut that off. Just like that. I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and I'm going to just squeeze this in so that nothing will be sticking out. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start adding my beads onto my wire. So I have my seed beads right here, and these are black, and I'm going to bring, these are the beads that I chose for the design. So I have 4 teardrop acrylic beads. I have an acrylic resin bead, and these are just two, I guess you could say, they look like, I don't know, but they're acrylic beads, okay? So I'm going to add on my first 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in order for you to achieve the look that I'm going to show you, you will have to have you will have to have teardrop beads, okay? You're going to need teardrop beads, and the holes are going to have to be on this in the middle or on the sides. You can still do it with the beads with the holes on the sides, okay? So I'm going to add a teardrop. I put on my 5 beads. I add a teardrop. Then I'm going to add 5 more beads. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to add this bead right here. Then 5 more seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then I'm going to add another teardrop. Okay, then I'm going to add 10 seed beads. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, then I'm going to add another teardrop bead. And then I'm going to do 5 more beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add this bead right here. I'm going to add 5 more teardrop beads. Seed beads. I'm sorry, y'all. Seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add my very last teardrop bead. And then I'm going to add 5 more seed beads. Okay. So let's add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and start bending our design. We're going to bend it just like this. And I hope y'all can see what I made. And then I'm going to make sure that my beads is nice and snug and tight. And I'm going to make a loop because I'm going to close this off. So I'm going to make a loop at the end of this to the side. And if you can't get it to the side, then you'll make it, then you make the adjustment to make sure that it's to the side. So there's my loop. Then I'm going to give it some indentation. Just like that. And I'm going to start wrapping my wire around. Just like that. And I'm going to come back around one more time. Make sure it's nice and secure. And now I am going to cut off this extra piece. And you're going to need this extra piece right here. That's why I said cut off 12 inches. Because you're going to need that extra piece to add our other bead on. And I'm going to take my round nose pliers, go in and squeeze that in. And this is pretty much what our earring is looking like. So I'm making my adjustments. Okay, so this is pretty much what your earring should look like, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so this is the shape that you want for your earring. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to make a loop. Okay, make a loop. I'm going to give it some indentation. But I'm not going to close this off because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it right on here. So I'm going to add this on to this one. And then I'm going to add this one on as well. And this is pretty much what you are going to have, ladies and gentlemen. This is your shape. Now, I don't know if you all see what I have made and created. I made a turtle. Okay, these are the legs and this is the body. So these are going to be some really cute turtle earrings. So I'm going to take my round nose pliers, come up to the top, push this piece up, wrap it around. Okay, once or twice. Always pull it to make it straight. Everybody do things differently. I'm cutting off this extra piece right here. Okay, I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and squeeze that in. And last but not least, I'm going to add on the head part of my turtle. So this is going to be, look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at this. This is so cute, y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish it off. I'm just too excited. So I'm going to make a loop, another loop. Okay. And then I'm going to give it some indentation, and I'm just going to wrap the wire around to close it off. And I want to tell you what's so exciting about this design. If you get yourself some teardrop beads, you can make these in all summertime colors. Like, can you imagine going to the beach, you got your little turtle earrings on, and you can use any color seed beads that you want. But if you get yourself some teardrop, and the teardrops don't have to be this big, you can get something that's really, really small. You can make these as small or as big as you would like, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? So I'm going to snip that off. And I just thought that these were really, really cute. Now, the resin beads, you can find them in the store. You can find these beads in the store. I think they sell them in packs. I got this in a kit. They came like this. And these are made by, I think these are by I think that's Howdy or Hattie. Heidi, I think it's Heidi. Heidi and Joe. That's who makes the beads. So now I'm going to add on my fish hook. And this is a done deal. When I made this, whenever I make something, I always do a photo type piece of it. So I'm adding on my fish hook. And I was like, you know what? I got to do a DIY on these. They would love these. Okay. So how adorable are these? They are just too cute, y'all. Too cute. And you know, you can do so many things with these. You can make them, you can give them to people as a gift. They're just so cute. Okay, they're really, really, really cute. Okay, so for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that little gray button that's on the side. Yes, I said it, that little bell. Hit that little bell on the side so that every time I upload more videos, you will be notified, okay? I want to thank y'all for watching and clicking on this video. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day, and go make yourself some turtles. Have a wonderful and awesome day, ladies and gentlemen. Peace and blessings. See ya.